Welcome to the personal property tour for 4 Suttie Street in Methil. This is a commercial unit currently utilised as a retail. You have the retail with store frontage, as you can see, which is fabulous. So you've got real good window display opportunity with this one. On top of that, you've also got a good storage area or private section for your clientele if you're maybe a beauty therapy business looking for a new space, and you also have a shower room with it as well. So it's a really flexible opportunity. There is potential perhaps to convert. You would need to seek necessary planning, of course, from Fife Council, but it is in a great location. All the details about the property are in the link above. If you click on that, you get the information and, of course, the all-important price point. And let me just take you on the tour. So this is the property here in blue. It's on Suttie Street. When we come down here, this is your main links at Lower Methil, and this is where your buses are passing as well. You're also Bayview Stadium, just across the road at East Fife Football Club. So plenty of opportunities here. And let's go on in. And as we come in, you'll see it's a really spacious one. So you've got all of this. It was previously a retail store. So you can see you've got a lot of space here. You've also got real window frontage as well. So again, to display your business, if you're looking to create a business opportunity, it really is a great space. If I come across here, you'll see just how much room that you have here. It's a great size, isn't it? And then from the main part of the shop, which it was previously, of course, you then come into the kitchen area. So as we come into the kitchen area, you can see you've got plenty area of storage. So again, if you are a functioning cafe, takeaway, eatery, you've got plenty of space in here. You've also already got your plumbing with your sink set up. But again, if you're a hairdresser, maybe a dog grooming business, good opportunity, because you've got all of this frontage to advertise and welcome your guests. And then you've got all your functioning space at the back here. On top of that, you've got this additional room through here as well, which is wonderful. Again, if you're a beauty therapist, this is a great space, isn't it? And even for dog grooming, it's grand. It's a really good opportunity here. Great space, isn't it? And then when we come in here, you also have the benefit of the shower room. So you've got your wash hand basin, your WC, you also have your electric shower. So to have the washing facilities in here as well, it's a real big bonus, isn't it? So it adds to you if you want a retail unit, but also if you want to run a business, you've got that already set up, which is fabulous. Real nice space in here as well, isn't there? If I stand over here, you'll get a feel for the size of this area. And then, as I say, we come back into the kitchen just to give you another look at that. Got really lovely high ceilings as well. So it feels nice and open, plenty of space there. And then you come forward, obviously, into the main area of the unit. So it's a personal property tour of 4 Suttie Street in Methil. As you've seen, it's a retail unit currently, but it could be whatever you wanted your business to be. It's got that flexibility with it because you've got that window frontage to do your advertising. You've got this main space that I'm standing in at the moment. You've then got that kitchen area and you've got that secondary room as well, which is a real big bonus. So if you're looking to have perhaps some private space for your clientele, that's a good space to have, isn't it? And you've then got that shower room as well and your WC facilities. It's in a great location. So it's in Lower Methil. The main road that runs alongside it is where your bus routes go. It's where most of your trunk traffic will go at this end of the town. You've also got East Fife Football Stadium, not far from here as well. On top of that, you're on the links as well that are taking you down to Leven to the train station. You can walk that in about 8 minutes. So it's a great opportunity perhaps if you're looking to expand from Leven into Methil, perhaps with another business, or create something new. And as I mentioned earlier, there is an opportunity. You would need to seek necessary planning from Fife Council. Nothing is in place at the moment, but there is a potential to convert this into an apartment as well. Certainly a real flexible space, isn't it? If you think this one might be of interest to you, you can message me here directly. Likewise, you can also reach out to the team on 01333 421 774. And it's Perry at Fife Properties TV. Take care. Bye-bye.